Baking soda into a large bowl.
Hi friend, Emily here with Experienced Mommy, and today I am talking to you about
How to clean your kitchen sink without any chemicals or harsh ammonias, things like that. So this is a completely natural way to clean your sink, and all you need is baking soda, white vinegar, and maybe a little scrub brush. You can use a toothbrush too. So to start out, I went ahead and poured in about 5 tablespoons of baking soda. The next part, you do need to be a little bit careful because there will be a chemical reaction, so pour slowly the white vinegar. Mix all of that up a little bit. If you have any like Dawn dish soap, you can use that so it smells a little bit better. This is just the Kirkland citrus scent, and stir it up again. This is optional. Vinegar is kind of a harsh smell, so I just like it to smell a little bit fresh. So now I'm going to clean my sink. The kitchen sink is one of the dirtiest places in your entire house, which is hard to believe. I'm gonna take my sponge, just kind of soak it in there a little bit and start to scrub. And then I'm gonna take this little net filter and literally just let that soak in that solution for a little bit while I keep scrubbing. And you can use a toothbrush for some of the smaller places that are harder to reach. Let this soak in there too. You can start to see the shine already. These things have been soaking in this solution. I'm going to just rinse them off. Okay, all done. The sink is shiny and clean. No chemicals needed. And it took literally minutes.
but subscribe, hit that little subscribe button. That will give you all the alerts for the upcoming videos. Have a great day, guys. Mama out.